CTP Bravo Company XO, Marlene Cromalde. First platoon leader, Trisha May Inakay. Second platoon leader, girls, Dayan Villaluz. School head, Dr. Maricel Dolor. CTP Mapping Facilitator, John Ranial Indrano. Majors Coordinator, Mia SD Villanea. DXNC TLC Coordinator, Aura Grace A. Nobleza. Giselle Daniel Hilario. Assistant Major Coordinator, Assistant CTP Mapping Facilitator, John Lynn Arguez. Entry number 14, Kipayo, National High School, San Antonio, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 14, Kipayo National High School, San Antonio, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 15, Category 3 and 4, Pinaglabanan National High School.